The bells rang out again at the Washington National Cathedral, marking the loss of some 800,000 lives in America to COVID-19. Meanwhile, French government expects to see around 4,000 patients in intensive care with COVID-19 by the Christmas holidays. And that's in today's news highlights on COVID-19.
The United States reached 800,000 coronavirus-related deaths as the nation braces for a potential surge in infections due to more time spent indoors with colder weather and a highly transmissible Omicron variant of the virus. Even with vaccines widely and freely available, the country has lost more lives to the virus this year than in 2020 due to the more contagious Delta variant and people refusing to get inoculated against COVID-19. Since the start of the year, over 450,000 people in the United States have died after contracting COVID-19, or 57% of all U.S. deaths from the illness since the pandemic started. French government spokesman Gabriel Attal said that the government expects to see around 4,000 patients in intensive care with COVID-19 by the Christmas holidays. He also told that the Omicron variant is not seen at this stage. Data from the health ministry showed the new cases pushed the 7-day moving average of new cases to 49,506, its highest level in 2021. The number of people in intensive care with the disease rose by another 40 to 2,792. Attal said new decisions of the reinforcement of border rules, the acceleration of the vaccination campaign, and travel recommendation for the holidays could be announced in the coming days. England's top health official said hospitalization rates are rising in some areas in Britain as the Omicron coronavirus variant sparks a wave of new infections. Whitty said the Omicron coronavirus variant posed a serious threat to the UK. Meanwhile, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson praised the speed of the UK's booster programme and said more than 45% of adults had received a third jab, including 88% of all those above 70 years of age. The UK recorded its highest daily coronavirus cases since the start of the pandemic earlier on Wednesday.